Good evening, YouTube, and how you doing this evening? Well, it's gonna be kind of like a vlog here. Not really doing anything exciting. Well, fortunately, at least I was able to replace that bike I had stolen. You know, mainly selling some stuff on eBay, and of course I was able to order an ad motor e-bike from eBay. So I actually got that outside. I haven't put a video on it yet. But anyway, the thing of this video is my bank actually broke up with me. Yeah, you heard that right. My bank, it actually used to be called SunTrust, and now it's called Truist. Truist. I think that's how you say it, Truist. It actually just now broke up with me today. I've actually had this bank since 2012, and for the most part it's been doing okay, but apparently I had an incident where I was trying to look for a loan, to help me financially, and apparently there's this one scammer. There's this one scammer on the internet. Apparently he claimed to be a lender. He called himself CashNet USA, something like that. And apparently what happened is he actually tried to use my bank account to cash a fraudulent check. And apparently what happened is I gave him my bank account information like that, and he apparently deposited a fraudulent check. However, fortunately, I didn't really lose much money, because fortunately the bank and the other app that was using to transfer money, fortunately it was able to detect that as being suspicious, or being suspicious, and it immediately stopped the scammer from actually being able to get cash from that. But however, in doing so, apparently what happened was that the Truist bank basically locked my account down, and yeah, they basically locked my account down to where I couldn't do anything with it. I was able to still log on, but apparently I couldn't get my money out and like that. And apparently what happened was just today I actually tried logging into my account, and then I all of a sudden found that I couldn't log in. It's kind of like my username and all that just no longer existed. So I called them up, and they basically essentially told me that they closed my account and they wanted to end their relationship with me, so to speak. So they basically closed my account today, after 10 years of being with them. Yeah, they basically closed my account. They basically just simply told me that they wanted to end their relationship with me. They basically don't want me anymore. So they did that, and I basically stopped by the Truist branch one last time to pick up my money that I had in there. Which I do know that I do know that when they closed my account, I actually had a positive balance. In fact, I had about $1,000 in there. So obviously overdrawing my account obviously wasn't a reason why they closed it. since my balance was actually still positive. So obviously obviously being overdrawn wasn't the reason. So I stopped by the branch, basically picked up the money, in cash, and they basically just said no. And their relationship right there don't have anything more to do with me. So basically after that, I guess now I'm gonna have to find me another bank, or maybe just simply use one of those online only solutions like Chime or something like that. I don't know what you guys recommend. What's a good bank to use for y'all? I guess tomorrow I'll see what options I have for a new bank, and if y'all have any suggestions, feel free to comment down below. At least I'm thankful that I didn't really lose any money from someone trying to scam me. Even though I do owe a lot of money to credit cards, but at least to the bank themselves, I still had a positive balance. So anyway, any suggestions, feel free to comment below. Other than that, hope you have a good evening and take care, y'all.